Hi and welcome back to the Biohackers Club. I'm Tanya Malik. I'm a biohacker, functional nutritionist, and the founder of the Biohackers Company. Here I share science-backed insights and research-based biohacks for age reversal. All right, today I want to talk about something you may have heard, which is this sudden hype around magnesium supplementation. Now, I know a lot of you have asked me why this sudden love for magnesium. Some of you may be skeptical, some of you may have jumped on the bandwagon for good reason. So I thought let me do a quick deep dive to really understand this mineral. But before that, remember that we are chemical being. That means life is a series of chemical reactions and mechanisms all happening simultaneously. Micronutrients like vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients are or play a key role in this delicate dance. And magnesium alone is used in more than 300 biochemical reactions. But the big question is, if magnesium is so important, then why did our grandparents not talk about it? So I thought let me share my granddad's story. Now, my paternal granddad, as some of you may know, lived till he was 95 and he loved sharing his childhood stories with me. He came from a small town called Sargodha, which was part of Punjab during the undivided India. And he would tell me stories about how growing up they would sleep in the yard or sleep on the terrace and wake up to the early morning sun, spend hours walking in their farms and then pluck vegetables with their bare hands from the soil before eating them. How they would spend time with their cows and feed them and nourish them, milk them again with their bare hands. All of these stories told me that they lived a life which was connected to nature. They had consistent exposure to sunlight, to fruits and vegetables that grew without fertilizers, without pesticides. They played and got their hands dirty in mineral-rich soil, which was not depleted of all of the micronutrients because of consistent chemical use. And more importantly, they lived a life surrounded by pets and community, which not only exposed them to good bacteria to strengthen their gut health, but also strengthen their emotional and mental health. But more than anything else, this reminded me that this world does not exist anymore. Unlike us, our ancestors got most of their micronutrition from their food and the lifestyle that they lived. Unfortunately, in this modern world, we are deficient of micronutrients, but specifically of magnesium. Now club this with the increased demand of magnesium in our bodies because of the high stress levels, the lack of sleep, the constant exposure to toxins because of pollution, the food that we eat which is stripped off of its micronutrients, and also the processed foods that we eat and the toxins that we get because of that. On top of this, if some of you work out or are athletes or have a high stress life or even recovering from an illness, your magnesium requirement goes even higher. Now let's really understand why is magnesium actually the master mineral. See, magnesium plays a key role in a wide range of bodily functions. Let me break it down, starting with heart health. Magnesium plays an important role in cardiac functions. It helps regulate your heart rhythm. Basically, it helps your heart muscles relax after every contraction. See, magnesium naturally balances the calcium levels in your heart, which prevents calcification but also supports your overall cardiovascular health. As an extension to this, the second thing magnesium helps with is blood pressure. See, magnesium is a natural calcium blocker, which means it helps your blood vessels relax and expand, improving your blood circulation. In fact, studies show that regular supplementation with magnesium helps balance and lower your blood pressure levels. Next is bone health. See, when it comes to bone health, usually calcium gets the spotlight, but actually magnesium is equally important. It not only helps direct calcium to your bones, but it also helps in processes like vitamin D metabolism or parathyroid hormone regulation, all of which are essential for calcium absorption and maintaining your bone health. See, the fact is that without adequate magnesium levels, calcium cannot be absorbed and utilized by your body correctly. Next is muscle health. If you're into fitness or live an active life, magnesium should be your best friend. It not only reduces muscle cramps but helps your muscles recover and improve strength. It also improves energy production by facilitating ATP, which is, think of it as the energy currency of your cell. It also supports sleep and recovery. See, magnesium supports the production of GABA, which is a neurotransmitter that calms down your nervous system, helps you sleep and also manage stress. Think of it as a natural or nature's relaxer. And blood sugar regulation. See, magnesium improves insulin sensitivity, which means that it improves the way in which your cells can absorb and utilize blood glucose. Regular supplementation of magnesium is a great way to balance blood sugar levels and ensure the prevention of type 2 diabetes, even insulin resistance and prediabetes. Lastly, mental health. Magnesium also plays an important role in the production of serotonin, which we know as the hormone responsible for mood regulation. In fact, low levels of magnesium are linked to anxiety and depression, and regular supplementation can be a gentle or natural way to support your emotional and mental well-being. Always remember, there is an important relationship between magnesium and calcium. While magnesium works inside your cells, calcium operates outside your cells. Magnesium is responsible for your muscles' relaxation, while calcium is important for your muscles' contraction. See, our bodies are built to maintain homeostasis, which is a balance. Just like everything else, this balance is crucial, which means too much calcium without enough magnesium can actually cause health issues. It can lead to cell calcification, muscle stiffness, even arterial calcification. So if you're taking calcium supplementation without maintaining sufficient levels of magnesium, you could actually be putting your health at risk. Make sure to have enough or optimize your magnesium levels. Also remember to optimize your vitamin D levels so that your body can absorb and utilize calcium correctly and actually direct it where it's required, which is your bones. Now the next big question is, how do we get enough magnesium? While magnesium-rich foods like leafy greens, nuts and seeds are a good starting point, they're often not enough in today's modern world. And this is where supplementation comes in. Good supplementations like magnesium glycinate, magnesium gluconate and magnesium citrate are bioavailable options. However, magnesium citrate can be tough on the stomachs of some people, making magnesium gluconate and glycinate good, gentle options for everyday use. These are chelated forms, so make sure that you get a 100% clean formula and always ensure it has optimal levels of elemental magnesium. Typically should range between 18 to 22%. And how much magnesium do you really need? See, the RDA or the recommended daily allowance for magnesium is between 300 to 400 mg every day, depending on your gender. However, if you are active or work out or an athlete or dealing with high stress levels or recovering from an illness or even have inflammation or lifestyle diseases like prediabetes, insulin resistance or even diabetes and something else, then your requirement for magnesium could be much higher. Now, the best way to plan your stack is obviously to get your biomarkers analyzed or measure your biomarkers. But a good starting point, if you don't know where to begin, is the RDA, which helps you maintain magnesium levels if you already have good magnesium levels. Now, let's talk about what does magnesium deficiency look like. See, magnesium deficiency can manifest in everyday symptoms that are usually, sort of considered unrelated or sometimes looked at as a different cause or just treated as symptoms rather than realizing or recognizing the root causes. Things like persistent fatigue, muscle cramps or spasms, especially in the legs, a general feeling of restlessness or irritability, even heightened anxiety and stress levels are great indicators of magnesium deficiency. Difficulty with sleep, like difficulty falling asleep or difficulty staying asleep. Some people even suffer with headaches and migraines, and in some extreme cases, it could lead to prolonged periods of irregular heart rhythm or weakened bones and worsening blood sugar levels. All of these symptoms may seem unrelated but are deeply linked with optimized magnesium levels because magnesium plays a fundamental role in our body's biochemical balance. Alright, I hope this was helpful and it could shed some light on the importance and the role of magnesium in our health and well-being. If you guys enjoyed this, then don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more. Thank you.